UJICO. Pretty much, he a producer known for making inspirational bass music. Pretty much, he born from Japan. And wait, what the fuck is Snail's house? Wait, that's the same thing? Wait, why the fuck am I googling this shit?
Okay, it's my song.
Huh?
It's my song. It's his song. He made that song.
So starting off with the percussion, it's just basic stuff, you know. You got your kick, you got the snare, clap, this thing, hi-hats, and they do the, you know, the you got this thing, and you got that thing. All together, it'll be something like this, you know. And if you're wondering like where I got these samples, the guy himself actually uploaded the samples. So like as you can see right here, just some advice. If you're gonna do this, just be careful who grabs them. If it goes to the wrong hands, like me, you can pretty much say goodbye to your career. There's a water drop. Or maybe you could just add a bunch of these. There's like a screech too he likes to put. Man, this cookie looks pretty good, you know? Now for the chords, basically Hawaii music's usually in, you know, C major. Okay, so first you do this thing, and then you do this. And then you do, you know, the minor thingy. Or you could go to the major thingy, you know. And then you do this, like that makes sense. But this song we're not gonna do in C major. You know what we're gonna do besides C major? D flat major. So like how you want to do the melody, like, so for the sounds it's just basically game sounds. You want one kind of like a kawaii sounding thing. And then you want like you want this thing. And then all together. If you're wondering how you get this like weird 8-bit sound, you kind of like, you add this weird fucking thing. You add the lo-fi, you like do it this, because pretty much what this does, it makes your audio sound like shit. Oh yeah, did I ever mention you want like an 8-bit drum thing? You know the melody, like it has to like the do. Pretty much just copy that and you do it here. Use a serum this time. So you want a vibrato thing, it goes like the dee. So basically you want to sound something like this. And then you want another one. It's gotta sound jazzy, you know, like you like jazz, and there's like a sub bass. Okay, so then you add like another bass. But then there's like, he likes to put some like glittery stuff. Oh yeah, he likes to do this too. It's like 80s sound. Yeah, and then like all together. Ooh! Then like, then for like your build up, dude, like I didn't even finish the build up yet. Yeah, just add a fucking build up. Add some like rise thing. Add some impact. Add this thing. Yeah, you're following along, guys, and then you want the do thing. Then as you can see like these automations, you just do this. Yeah, you want this thing a lot. He does this a lot. So basically, I didn't even record the lead, but like you want a lead kind of like, you know, this. Now, mixing isn't actually that complicated. Like, all you're gonna need is, your sound goodizer, your sausage fattener, your pixelator. There's one more effect you need the most. It is not only OTT. You're gonna need inspiration. I think we're done with the track. Let's hear it. Wait, why is it not working? Dude, what the? Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.